Hello Year 4 and welcome to today's video. Today's video is on fact families using the bar model that we had a look at yesterday, or otherwise known as the part whole. A fact family is a group of facts, addition, subtraction, could be multiplication and division, using the same three set of numbers. So looking at the example here, we have 20 at the top of my bar because 20 is the biggest number. 15 and 5 at the bottom. We can use the symbols either side. Subtraction goes at the side and addition at the bottom to work out our different number sentences. So for example, to start off with, 15 add 5 equals 20. We could do 5 add 15, so we're just reversing the numbers, equals 20. 20 take away 15 equals 5. And 20 take away 5 equals 15. So 4 number sentences that we can get using these 3 digits here. Looking at question number 1 then, 1,000 is at the top because that's the largest number, 250 and 750 at the bottom, 2 parts that make up that whole. So I'm going to start off with my addition number sentences because I find those the easiest. So on number 1 here then, I've got 250 add 750 equals the 1,000. With addition, it's great because we can swap the numbers around. It doesn't matter which way we add these up, they still equal the same number. So I can do 750 add 250 also equals 1,000. With the subtraction, we can only ever start with the biggest number. So we start with the number at the top here, 1,000. I can do 1,000 take away 250. And I know that will then leave me with my 750 equals 750. Or I could do 1,000, again starting with the biggest number, take away 750 equals 250. On question number 2, I've got my biggest number at the top, 3,762, that's the whole. And then the 2 parts that make up that whole, I've got 1,261 and 2,501. So number 2, again, I'm going to start off with my addition because they're the easiest ones. I've got these 2 numbers at the bottom that add together to make my whole. So I'm going to start off with 1,261 add 2,501, which then equals my 3,762. Again, with addition, I can reverse the numbers. So I can do 2,501, add 1,261, and it would still equal 3,762. With the subtract, again, we start with the biggest number, which is at the top here. So I've got 3,762. And I'm going to take away 1,261. And that would leave me with 2,501. The other subtract number sentence that I could do, again, starting with the biggest number, 3,762. I'm going to take away 2,501 this time. And I know that would leave me with 1,261. Last but not least then, question number 3. So on number 3, my largest number at the top is my whole. I've got 9,865. And the 2 parts that make up my whole, 5,441, 4,424. Starting with my addition number sentences, I'm going to do 5,441. Add 4,424, which would equal 9,865. And then I can also do 4,424, add 5,441. Again, that would still equal 9,865. Again, with the subtraction starting with the biggest number, 9,865, And I'm going to take away 5,441. Take away this would leave me with this, 4,424. And then the final number sentence I can do, I've got 9,865. And I'm going to take away 4,424. And that would leave me with 5,441. There we go. Hopefully you got them all correct. Let us know how you did.